Hello everyone, this is Sindra from Good Sense. Today is the first day of the second phase of the Canton Fair. Now let me introduce our booth to you. Let's go. That is Good Sense booth. Actually, Good Sense booth is easy to find. Here, where you can hearing the Chinese guzheng is playing, that is our booth. As you can see, many suppliers is going here to visiting our booth. At the same time, Good Sense also launched a new series of wooden and marble series of ACP. As you can see, that is our wooden series. And that is our marble series. As you can see, it's very beautiful and it's very cost effective and weather resistant. Welcome to our booth to visit it. Good Sense launched a new series of ACP in the second phase of the Canton Fair. As you can see in this word, that is our sparkling pure ACP. Look at this. It's very shiny and it's suitable for the cabinets. Now I will introduce to you our famous product, Aluminum Composite Panels. This one is popular. You can see many suppliers is talking about this product. And this is our popular one, the wooden series of aluminum composite panels. You can see our catalog. It has many colors and series. Now let me introduce our main products to you. This is our acrylic sheet. We have the macaron series and glitter series, and that is our acrylic mirror. As you can see, we have lots of colors. Yeah, this is our color chain. We have so many colors you can choose from this. Yes, it's very beautiful. And also you can see these applications. The design is very innovative and interesting. As you can see, the panda, the tiger, and some symbol building of China. It's very good. And welcome to our booth to choose. We warmly welcome you to come to Good Sense booth to see the superior advertising and building materials we offer to you. I'm Sindra from Good Sense. See you at the Canton Fair.